Hey, it's Rebecca from Southwest Exteriors, and welcome back to the Home Solutions channel. In this video, we'll dive into 6 more exterior fall decoration trends that will not only make your home the envy of the neighborhood, but also provide you with creative and fun DIY projects to enjoy. Number 1, wagon wheel decor, rustic charm. For a charming and rustic touch, consider incorporating wagon wheels into your exterior decor. Hang them on the wall, use them as plant stands, or even create a unique table centerpiece. Their weathered look adds character to your space, evoking a sense of nostalgia and rural charm. Number 2, cornstalks and hay bales, farmhouse chic. Elevate your decor with cornstalks and hay bales. They provide an authentic farmhouse feel and can be creatively arranged around your front entrance. Number 3, Halloween haven, spooky and fun. If you're a fan of Halloween, don't miss the chance to go all out with spooky decorations. Think jack-o'-lanterns, faux spider webs, and eerie silhouettes in your windows. Just be sure to keep it family-friendly for the kiddos in the neighborhood. Number 4, fall foliage garland, nature's beauty. Adorn your railings and fences with fall foliage garlands. You can find these pre-made or get crafty and make your own with faux leaves, berries, and even pine cones. Number 5, outdoor fire pit for cozy gatherings. As temperatures drop, adding an outdoor fire pit to your patio or yard won't only keep you warm, but it also creates a cozy gathering spot for friends and family. Number 6, porch swing and rocking chairs, relaxation station. Finally, invest in some comfy outdoor seating like a porch swing or rocking chairs. They're perfect for enjoying your pumpkin spice lattes while taking in the fall foliage. And there you have it. There's 6 more top exterior fall decoration trends of 2023. From rustic wreaths to cozy blankets and everything in between, there are endless ways to spruce up your home's exterior this season. If you found this video helpful, be sure to subscribe to the channel and like this video for more home solutions. Thank you for stopping by the Home Solutions channel, where we want you to have the look you love coming home to.